Hi, I'm Max Bratton, Mortgage Manager of the Tidswell Private Mortgage Fund. Welcome to our latest Everyday Loan video. Today I'd like to share one of our recent consolidation/bridging loans with you. This loan consolidated the borrower's financial position and bridged the purchase of a $1.2 million home. This is Charlie's story. Charlie is a registered builder in a good financial position. He owns a home at Paraka, a block of land in Prospect, and a commercial/residential property in Clemzig. However, Charlie did not pay attention to his bookwork and did not have his financial statements up to date. He also had a minor credit card default. Charlie signed a contract to purchase his dream home in North Adelaide in January 2014. The purchase price was $1.2 million and he had paid an $80,000 deposit, thinking he would have no problem with bank finance. But this was not the case. So Charlie could settle his North Adelaide property, he was referred to Tidswell by his finance broker. Tidswell structured a consolidation/bridging loan of $1.65 million, secured by a first mortgage over the Paraka house, block of land, the commercial property at Clemzig, and the North Adelaide home. Charlie was able to settle on his North Adelaide home in April 2014. The Tidswell loan was approved on the basis that Charlie was to sell down the Paraka house and the block of land at Prospect. At the same time, his finance broker was to work on a refinance of the North Adelaide home with the objective of getting the interest rate down to a sustainable bank rate. Charlie sold both the block of land in Prospect and the house in Paraka and reduced his debt with Tidswell to $1.15 million in July 2014. Charlie then maintained the monthly interest payments to Tidswell and established a clean repayment history for 6 months. This allowed his finance broker to refinance the house at North Adelaide. Charlie's loan with Tidswell was reduced by $875,000 to $275,000 in March 2015. Coming to Tidswell allowed Charlie to settle on the North Adelaide house and avoid losing his $80,000 deposit, as well as any non-settling penalties. His broker is now working on a refinance of the residual Tidswell debt. So if you'd like to know any more about consolidation or bridging loans, or you have any deal you'd like to run by me, call me, Max Bratton, on 0421 346 826.